Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can cure thumbstick drift on your Xbox Series X controller. Now it's very highly unlikely that you've got thumbstick drift just yet. These new next gen consoles have only just been released in the past week. But if you do suffer with thumbstick drift in the not too distant future, don't go chucking your controller out, don't go buying a new controller. Simply try this fix first before you do anything. So first off, wiggle your thumbsticks, press them in. Do that for about 10 to 20 seconds. Make sure your controller's clean, and then all you want to do, the simple fix without taking it apart, is blow into the thumbstick really hard, just like this. And then give it a good wiggle and then repeat the process. Do the other side as well. All you're going to do is blow any dust and debris into the controller. It's not going to hurt the circuit board. Just don't spit into the controller because that won't help. And that should cure thumbstick drift on your Xbox Series X controller. Remember, if you're new around here, I make PlayStation and Xbox videos. So please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll get back to you with another video. Thanks for watching.